So today, we are going to play some of this game called Vehicle Simulator. This game called Vehicle Simulator is a really fun game. With it being fun means so many people play it. So it does get laggy. Especially when you drive cars that are super fast, like that one. Game doesn't load all the way or something. But today we are going to be testing out a car that I think you guys we're going to be testing out: the Ford Mustang and the Shelby Super. Ford Mustang, here we go. So this is my Ford Mustang, and I'm gonna let this guy hop in it. No. Yeah, this guy likes his car. And we're just gonna be following him now. So many people think they're better than me with their cars. Yes, I don't have rocket fuel. I only have 20-pound bottle of nitrous. But I'm pretty fast in this. So this is the Ford Mustang. This is a really cool car, I think. It's one of my favorites. Then, my second favorite would probably be the Ford GT, which is a supercar in the supercar dealership for like 400 or something. And it's a really fast, non-city car. And when you get into the races, it will win every one of them with the nitrous. So what you do is press W or whatever you have, and you just smoke the other player. And that's the quickest way to gain money in this. So, sometimes people can get that just right, and it's like the best jump ever. But yeah. This is all just gonna be races and stuff. I guess I can cut to the best thing ever. Help me, guys! I'm underwater. I don't think I can breathe anymore. Where did I wake up? Oh no, I'm under sand. Might as well just treasure. We have to take to get up. What the heck is that? Do not touch what? There's nothing there. Huh? What is this place? Oh, there's buried treasure here. Oh, then I guess I'm lucky. Or then unlucky. What's this? So, backpack feels pretty light right now. I'm not sure what to do with it. guess these weird new people know what to do with the sand. I think I'm gonna start swimming back to try to find where I need to go. But anyway guys, that has been another video on Roblox. And like always, bye bye.